How to fix Aliexpress locked account. I'm going to tell you how to fix a locked Aliexpress account. If your account gets locked, it's usually due to unusual activity, failed login attempts, or payment issues. First, try resetting your password. Use the forgot password on the login page and follow the email verification steps. If that doesn't work, go to the AliExpress Help Center and use the live chat to connect with an agent. They might ask for ID verification or payment proof, especially if you've had disputes or recent orders. Be patient. Account reviews can take a few days. Avoid creating a new account right away since using the same card or phone number might trigger another lock. Some users also report faster results by contacting support through the app, not the website.